Hi there, it's Jeff. Quick little video on edging your manufactured board when you've got radiuses in your project like this. Edging with 1mm edge tape or 0.5 can be achieved, but there are a couple of little tricks to add. So keep watching and I'll share these secrets with you. Okay, we just want to start up with masking off the edges because I'm going to be spraying this with some contact adhesive. Now you could use a brush on contact if you wanted to, but I just find that the spray on stuff is just a lot quicker and easier. Okay, I'm ready to apply my edge tape by hand to my workpiece now. The contact has gone dry on both surfaces, which is what you want, usually about 5-10 minutes depending on your weather. And now I'm going to carefully apply this just by hand, and I want to make this when I'm putting it on evenly, so I have an even amount. This is around about 21mm edge tape and my board is around 16, so I've got plenty to play with, and you just want to make it evenly. And I'm going to go to the start of my radius, somewhere around there. I'm going to stop, and then I'm going to apply the magic trick, which is applying heat from a heat gun. So I'm just going to lightly heat the edge tape around there and then put it on. I'm also going to be using like a block just to press it on. I've also, a little roller is handy as well. But just nice and gently across, just by hand, and just evenly placed on the board, laterally, up and down. Okay, the edging went on nice and nice and tight with minimal gaps that I can see so far, so it should turn out pretty good. I'm going to use 3 tools here now to clean this up. One is what we call a plane blade, or off a thicknesser or jointer machine, 300mm wide. If you've seen my previous videos on edging melamine 3 different ways and doing it by hand, you'll see that these are some of the tools that I use. So I'm going to use this flush on top of my board. I'm going to use an end trimming tool just to trim the ends, and because this is curved, I'm just going to use a bit of a sanding block with just some fine paper, I think 320 on it, just to clean it up. Well, there you go, it actually came out pretty good. The edging on the curve is nice and tight, there's no gaps on it, which is what you want. And all in all, a pretty good finish. One of the other keys to success when you are doing these with the radius is making sure you got nice crisp edges to edge onto. If you've got lots of chips on the edges there, it's not going to look the best. So nice clean saw cuts. Pass it through with a router bit if you can, using a template for your radius, so you can get it nice and crisp. And yeah, the results are pretty good. Let me just take this off. Well, what did you think? Edging your manufactured board, 1mm edge tape, it is achievable. The key here, like I showed you, is basically number one, using a bit of heat on the edging just to soften it up a bit. That way it makes it a bit more pliable going around a radius. Not too tight, obviously. If you've got like a really tight radius, it's not going to keep its nice appearance. It starts to show like the PVC, just raw plastic. Like I tried a little piece on a 45° here. I'm not sure if you can see that, and you can see the edges here. Just sort of deteriorates a little bit because that was pretty sharp, I guess. So the similar thing happens if you try to do a really tight radius, and you'll get gaps. But obviously, like I mentioned earlier, you've got to make sure you've got nice crisp edges, and your radius is nice and neat and clean using a router. Obviously you want nice and square edges as well. You just can't do this straight off a jigsaw. So yeah, just cleaning and tidying it up nice and neatly, using some basic tools. You would have seen these me using these in previous videos, working with melamine edging and so on. Using 0.5mm PVC edging is going to be a little bit easier, but I've just used 1mm today, which is stock standard, what I always use anyway, so it's just a bit more durable. Well, I hope that inspired some of you people out there, if in case you do have to do any curves on your manufactured board for your projects. Thumbs up if you liked it, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you in one of my other videos.